roundabout we're going to turn right, second junction, right, second. So what do you do with the right turn, Heidi? Get scanning around, get looking. Good, where'd you go?
No one over there.
Yes, good. Who's coming?
No one.
Oh, listen, does it need to gear down? It does. Gear down then. Come on, you've got to get working, Heidi. And which number exit was it that said?
2.
So this is number 1, so steer first, then signal, and then leave. There you go, you've done it.
Yeah, but I never gear down.
I know, I had to give you a little arm twist. Now, do we need to slow? Go, Heidi. Go, Heidi. Cancel the signal. Okay, did you see what this car behind was doing? Because you were slowing and going in there.
Thinking it was a lane?
They were parked. See where I'm coming from? Yeah?
Oh,
the fix for this situation would be to cancel the signal a little earlier, position out to the right as soon as we can for the parked ones, and, like I said in the video, get on with it a little bit. Then the white one wouldn't have been confused.